Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the MacBook and unplugging everything. This prevents damage and accidental input. Once done, place the laptop face down on a soft microfiber surface so edges won't scratch. Make sure you have a thin plastic pry tool or use your fingernails. Metal tools can dent. Keep a small container nearby for any clips. This is the only method. Protect ports, stabilize the device, and position your hands at the lower rear edge to begin the release. You'll work along the hinge where the case clips to the chassis. This is the central release point. Insert the pry tool or your thumbnail under the seam and lift gently. Slow, steady pressure disengages the first clip. Once that click frees, move horizontally and repeat, releasing one clip at a time toward each corner. If a clip resists, pause and wiggle slightly. Forcing will warp the plastic. By moving sequentially, you avoid cracking the case and maintain alignment for reassembly. Once the rear clips are free, lift the back gently and pull the case forward away from the hinge to release the front clips. You'll hear soft clicks as they let go. Inspect edges and ports for trapped dust or a broken tab. If anything seems stuck, don't force a corner. Reseat the rear side and rerun the sequential release. Often a missed clip is the cause. If a clip has broken, note its position for replacement and avoid tightening screws or prying near the display to prevent further damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.